just right. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Early morning here at Wild Willies in Akins Ford and Winder, and this diamond right here is the subject today. But just look at what a beautiful morning it is. I love getting here early in the morning, get a lot done when it's just nice and peaceful and quiet. So productive. Had the privilege of meeting two phenomenal men a couple Saturdays ago here at the superstore, and they had this truck here in the stock form. Well, it wasn't really stock. They had it already done up. They got their flavor on it, and it looks amazing with this custom grill and this upper light that looks amazing with the detailed light that goes all the way around, the daytime running light. It just has a great overall now flow. So let me know what you think about that grill. It just looks so mean now, especially that we're lowered on some somethings. God, looks great. Oh man, I'm so glad we were able to hook these boys up, man. It was just a great time spending time with them the other day. And they've already done some other things like the tinted the headlights and fogs to kind of tone things down a little bit. This nice side badge delete, took the F-150 side badge off and put this great one here. It has just a more sporty vibe to it, which they know what's up. They got an eye for it as well. And it was just great to hear and see their thoughts on ways to make their truck better. They got so many great ideas, doing a lot of the work themselves in the spare time, rear end them also. But we were able to run a ride tech kit. Even look right there, got the caliper covers looking amazing. We installed the Velgans on there. Oh my gosh, 22s with the Falcon ZX tires, perfect. 305 45 22, perfect. Just a diamond of a build right here. 3.5 dropped, love the gray too, and the red accent just hits different. They've got a lot more thoughts about what to do to this vehicle down the road, but one of the best sounding exhausts out there, and the perfect side exit as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh, just cap it off. That was a must right there. Had to throw that exhaust right there in that sweet spot location. Guys did a great job. I love that our customers, that you all that watch these videos all the time, I love that y'all have great ideas and thoughts too. It's just like collaboration is what it's all about to me, because we get to come together and show my variation, show your thoughts, and then really you can build something really special. So another lowered F-150 right here at Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia. Man, this is a diamond right here. And I hope that we got customers for life, because they see and they know that the passion that I extend is the same passion that the dealership and the accessory store shares. And that means everything, because we are better as a close, tight-knit unit. And when you got an army this strong like we've got, with nearly 400 employees with the same vision, it's everything, y'all. Grand opening of our showroom on September 30th. We got Indo editions running out of here too. 450 bad boy. Always something special going on at Akins. Got to come check us out. To end this, I want to walk in here and show you all our progress of our showroom. It is not complete, but it is getting there. Lisa's done a phenomenal job with getting this thing all looking right for the vibe that we're trying to put off, and we got more to come. We're just getting started, Mr. Brad Akins says. So you saw the truck this morning. Here we are, 5 o'clock in the evening. My guys right here, man. You know, this has been a great experience for me. I got 2 new friends, but to be a part of this with them, Walt took great care of them too. And that front light bar, as I was telling you, just has that great look, all lit up. Oh, sitting just right. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. My man, appreciate you, big dog. Nice, man. Appreciate you. That's what it's all about, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Next time.